Welcome back. Another beautiful day, sunny Alberta. We have another file. Did a snap test. Hardenable metal. Means we're going to make another knife. Stay tuned. Well, here it is. Final product. Got this handle sanded in. Kept as much of the file texture on the blade as I could. Did all these grinds freehand. No jigs. Nice straight blade. Now I'm going to take this oak that I've got on the handle, this white oak. I'm going to burn it with the burner from my propane forge. I'm going to blacken it up a little bit. And I'm going to seal it with beeswax. And this is a nice Christmas gift from my father-in-law. Well, here it is. Just finished burning it, putting the beeswax on it. It's all done. Ready to have a sheath made for it. I'm going to gift this to the father-in-law for Christmas.